Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Ascott Orchard, where we'll be exploring their 60 square meter one-bedroom suite. Stepping into the suite and immediately to the right is an open concept kitchen. The kitchen features all the essential amenities to make this suite a home away from home. An espresso machine and stainless steel kettle, induction hob, oven, and washing machine by Dietrich. There is also an elegantly concealed fridge. Moving to the living area, there is a large, comfy 3-seater couch where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy movies and TV shows on your 42-inch high-definition television. Indulge in complimentary snacks and beverages by Ascott Star Rewards. Moving on to the bedroom, a king-size bed invites you to rest your weary head. Large square pillows offer a comfortable upright posture, perfect for watching movies on your bedroom television. There is also a writing corner to get some work done. Wardrobe space is aplenty, with plush bathrobes and comfy slippers provided. Moving on to the bathroom, there is a bathtub, shower, and a single bathroom vanity. Bath amenities are by Apelles. Let's head out to see the facilities. The swimming pool is large and great for laps. There is also a well-equipped gym. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough. See you in the next one.